Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Emily and I am here to educate your skincare journey through the eyes of a licensed skincare professional. If you haven't watched the previous videos, this month we are really focusing on the health of your moisture barrier, on, the cocooning of the skin during the winter times. So in this video, we are going to talk about a star ingredient that is really good to cocoon the skin, repair the skin, but also bring brightness to the skin. So if you haven't guessed it already, we are going to talk about niacinamide. So last year in 2020, niacinamide was a very popular ingredient that started to be more present in skincare products. It has been around for a very long time, but I think last year it had like a surge of popularity. And if you don't know the word niacinamide, it's commonly known as vitamin B3. Now, for those of you who love the effects of vitamin C, so vitamin C is a really nice ingredient to brighten up the skin. It's a powerful antioxidant, so it fights off free radicals. It's a really nice ingredient to use. However, not all skin types can tolerate vitamin C because depending on the concentration that you are using, it can be very strong on the skin. And if you're not using a balanced skincare regimen and you're all about vitamin C, your skin can be left very irritated. I've seen this on a lot of clients' skin, sensitive skin types that tend to use vitamin C on a daily basis, and it's just not working for them because their skin, their lipid barrier actually is left unbalanced. And when we know an unbalanced lipid barrier and unbalanced moisture barrier can result in an irritated skin. So if you tend to be more red, more sensitive, listen up, because if you can't use vitamin C because it's too strong for you, niacinamide is an ingredient that you need to look for. So move over vitamin C because niacinamide is the new ingredient for brightening the skin. Niacinamide is an ingredient that has multiple effects on the skin. It has brightening properties, it has anti-inflammatory properties, it will also boost the synthesis of ceramides in the skin as well, and etc. So we'll just dive into the first one. Niacinamide has highly repairing aspects to the skin cells. It helps to repair them and it will reduce the damage that your skin cells have had from previous UV ray exposures or any damage that the skin cells may have had from any external element. I'm gonna give you a super simple, example for you to understand. So when your skin, for example, is exposed to UV rays constantly, it creates a damage in your skin cell's DNA, all right? So it's a damaged cell. We all produce molecules that are within our body that are called free radicals, and free radicals are encouraged, or you have more free radicals if your body is exposed to environmental damage, such as UV rays. Those molecules, the free radicals, have either gained or lost an electron, making it super unstable and highly reactive that can potentially damage your skin cells. If you have a high dose of free radicals going around in your body, it will damage your skin cells. It will damage the DNA of your skin cells. So niacinamide gets in there and it will give that extra electron that that molecule has lost so they can chill the fuck out. In the same line as being very repairing for damaged skin cells, niacinamide will also prevent pigment transfer to the skin. So it will diminish the production of melanin within your skin so that you have more of a brightness to your skin. So it helps against sunspots, age spots, any uneven pigmentation that you may have. It does have a brightening property to the skin. On top of those last two things that I mentioned, niacinamide is also very good for the production of healthy fats within your skin. So for someone that has very sensitive skin or very fragile skin, this ingredient is great for you as well, because it actually has been proven that niacinamide will produce and help produce more healthy fats within your skin. So if you feel that your skin is very dry and very fragile, you may be in need of producing those healthy fats, because those healthy fats, we all have those lipids within our skin, and they help keep our skin barrier intact, so it can protect the skin, keep the moisture in, let the irritants out, and just keep the skin, you know, in a more healthy state. So if you do have a fragile skin, sensitive skin, easily irritated skin, this ingredient will help the barrier stay strong, because it will help produce those healthy lipids that your barrier really needs in order to stay intact. And the bonus in all this is that this ingredient has powerful anti-inflammatory properties on the skin. If you have rosacea, if you have dermatitis, if you have sensitive acne skin type, you will find yourself with this ingredient and it will become your best friend. It will calm down your skin, it will brighten up your complexion without being too aggressive like vitamin C, and it will also protect your skin and repair the skin cells, produce healthy fats that your skin needs in order to have that healthy barrier, and really just keep that hydration in your skin. So it's an ingredient that has a lot of really nice properties to it, but if you haven't heard of it and you haven't really tried it before in your skincare products, it is definitely a must, especially during the winter months. In professional products, you will find often between 2% to 10%. In the middle there, 5% is probably the best concentration, because again, in skincare, you don't want to have concentrations that are too high, because it won't necessarily be as effective on your skin. You may create more irritation than good. So a 5% concentration with niacinamide is usually a really high, but a nice level of high concentration that you will see results and it won't irritate your skin. Niacinamide is an ingredient that you can find in a multitude of products, but I am here to tell you that we will have a new item that will come out in the spring. We don't have it here yet in Canada. In our Swiss line collection, it is the brand that we use at work. We love it. I've talked about it so many times, but we do have the boosters, and the boosters are super versatile. You can use them with any skincare line. If you don't want to switch completely all your items to Swiss line, you can start with a booster and see how you like the products, but they have a booster called the Peace Booster that will be coming out in the spring in Canada, and it will be a 5% concentration of niacinamide. So if you want to help your skin out without changing, you know, your moisturizer, your serum, and etc., that booster, a few drops in your moisturizer, in your serum, will give you the benefits and the whole shebang of what I just talked about, the awesome properties that niacinamide has on the skin. You'll just be able to add it to your products without a problem and have all the glory that niacinamide brings to the skin. So super excited for that. It'll be coming up in the spring. In the meantime, we do have the Magic Eye Mask that has a concentration as well of niacinamide in there. I've talked about it on my IGTV. If ever you guys want to follow us on social media, I post a lot of information there about ingredients, about things that you can do for your skin, and they're bite-sized information capsules, but if you want to give us a follow, go check it out. And again, I really do hope that you enjoyed everything that I talked about today. If ever you want to watch us on a regular basis, subscribe to our channel. We post every week about brand new topics, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. If you used niacinamide in the past and you do love the effects, let me know how it goes for you. And until next time, stay safe and we will chat super soon.